One neat one I got here, Vevor, they have sent me a few things in the past, asked if I would take a look at this and review it, and normally, you know, I say no to stuff, but this is cool. I wanted to see how this actually works, and Vevor makes some decent things. Well, mostly all decent things, especially if you ask on like Sloppy, people are like, they have the tire mounting things and everything you can think of. So this is a scope, an endoscope, a bore sight, whatever you would want to call it, little camera boy, we'll call it, camera boy. So what's cool about this is it has, you can steer it. It's called a steering endoscope. So the head end here, you can actually rotate, check this out, right back on top of itself. Isn't that neat? All the way back around. So you can actually see the wire. If you put it in something, you can see where it's coming out. I don't know if we can get it on. I was just going to include the recording of, so I'm just going to turn it around. You can see out the throttle body. Yeah, you can see that. It's pretty cool. Like, you can just see my thumb putting this in the throttle body and the Milwaukee razor blade. And people were saying, you know, what about more dimensions? Essentially, you can just twist this thing and get the height and look at what you need to. What I thought was pretty neat, I'll get video of it, is I was able to put this in like a LS heater hose. I was able to put it in a heater hose and then wiggle that around. You can basically drive it because you can steer it. Haha. But you can put this and you can see a pathway, and then you can keep pushing on it and use this thing to steer, you know, not just only that, but I'm assuming that's what all this use is for. And it has brightness modes for the light. You can turn it up and down, and it'll record pictures and take video. So what we will do is we'll record some of the video and take some pictures with it and toss them in as well. But I wanted to show it off. Told them I would show you guys. It's $100. It was pretty neat. I posted it on the private page, and I was like, hey, you know, what do you think it would be worth? Just to ask people, and they're like, you know, they said about 100 or more. So this is pretty neat. You can fit it in the fuel rail. Look at that. There's some skunky fuel down there, but yeah, it'll actually fit in the 3/8 fuel rail, and we'll do the water pump and on video and whatnot and share that. But pretty neat for like $100. I can ask them if they can give a discount code if you guys are interested. But neat product, and this is just USB rechargeable, this video screen, and you can index this thing and get a good hand position and whatnot on it, and it's neat. You can snap some pictures and you can review them on here. You can pull the, it comes with an SD card. You can pull the SD card and transfer them to your computer. Other than that, really neat, nice thing.